High above the world lived a group of cloud painters. They dipped their paintbrushes in the rainbow, swirling colors into fluffy clouds that drifted across the sky. Pip, the youngest painter, was still learning. He dreamed of creating the most beautiful clouds ever seen. One day I'll create a masterpiece. One sunny morning, Pip was assigned a simple task: paint a few fluffy white clouds. He grew impatient. Pip, white is boring. I'll add some extra color, just a little. Pip dipped his brush in every color pot he could find, splattering the sky with a rainbow explosion. Crimson clouds swirled next to lime green, and polka-dotted clouds dotted the horizon. At first, the other painters were stunned. Then, they erupted in laughter. "Pip, what have you done?" Cloud Painter 2 asked. "The clouds look like a giant paint spill." Pip felt ashamed. Tears welled up in his eyes. Suddenly the wind picked up, carrying the mismatched clouds across the land. Soon children all over the world looked up in wonder. Child 1 says, "Look, Mommy." A cloud shaped like a butterfly. Child 2 says, "And that one looks like a giant ice cream cone." Everywhere the clouds went, they brought smiles and laughter. Pip watched, his shame melting away. Pip says, "Maybe my mistake wasn't so bad after all." Later that day, Pip helped his friends clean up his messy sky, painting soft white clouds once more. He learned that day that even mistakes can lead to unexpected beauty, and that sometimes the simplest things are the most important. From that day on, Pip embraced his learning spirit. He still dreamed of creating extraordinary clouds, but he understood that even the smallest brushstrokes can create a beautiful picture.